Hello students, as it is revision time, so we are going to revise one of the topic of chapter current electricity, that is resistance. What is resistance? As we already defined earlier, it is the obstruction offered to the flow of current. Now what is flow of current? Flow of electron means it is the flow of electron per unit time in a conductor. And when the electrons are moving through a conductor, the positive ion present already there, they obstruct the path of moving ion. Means they are contributing to reduce the speed of flow of electron. So they are also helping in reducing the flow of current also. What it mean? That we can say that if there is a conductor where is resistance, high resistance, the flow of current will be less. Today we are going to watch the same thing with the help of an animation. Let us see it. We are going to do a virtual practical here. Just look at the arrangement here. You can see here is a bulb, then a rheostat, a switch and a battery. Here I am showing you a simple circuit where everything is connected with each other, so it is a complete circuit and bulb is glowing with the bright light, completely yellowish light it is giving here. Why it is giving you bright light? Because maximum flow of current is here. See what is the use of rheostat in this one arrangement. This device is useful to provide variable resistance. So when we will provide variable resistance, we will able to see the effect of resistance on the bulb. Okay. Here as I already told you that rheostat is giving minimum resistance, as jockey of the rheostat is at the one end. I am going to increase the resistance by moving the jockey of the rheostat. So I moved it. Please note down the brightness of bulb here. Initially it was bright yellow. When I moved this jockey of rheostat, means I increase the resistance, the yellowishness of bulb is decreased. What it mean? With increase of resistance, flow of current decreased. Further I am going to increase the resistance provided in circuit. See here, it is just a pale yellow color of the bulb now because resistance further increased. Again I increase the resistance. You can see just light yellow, means a dim light we are getting here. So resistance is opposition to the flow of current. More the resistance, less is the flow of current. Again I am going to decrease the resistance provided in the circuit. I decrease the resistance. Bulb is again brightly working here. Thanks. Stay home. Stay safe.